Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of PYCharm in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. So without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. First of all, open the web browser and search for PYCharm download in your preferred search engine. Now go to the download link of PYCharm and check for Community Edition of PYCharm for Linux. Click on the download button. Wait for the download to complete. Now open the File Explorer and go to Downloads folder. Right-click the downloaded file and click Extract here. Now open the terminal and go to Downloads folder using cd command. Use the ls command to check the extracted folder. Go to the extracted PYCharm package folder using cd command. Now go to the bin folder. Check the PYCharm installation file using ls command. Type the installation command, sudo /pycharm.sh and press enter. Give your password and press enter. Accept the user agreement and press continue. Wait for the installation to complete. PYCharm is installed and opened now. To create a desktop entry for starting the PYCharm application, click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the PYCharm window. Click on the Create Desktop Entry menu and click OK button. Give your password and click Authenticate. To open PYCharm, click on the menu icon and search for PYCharm. Now click on the PYCharm Community Edition menu. Now you can create new project or open existing project in PYCharm. I am creating a sample project. Wait for PYCharm to complete the creation of new project. Python code is executed successfully.